Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create TikTok account. So at first need to install your TikTok apps. Just press on to open. As you can see, showing a to profile option. If you already have TikTok account, you just easily log in from here, or if you don't have, press on sign up. Okay, if you want to use your phone number or if you want to use your email address, so like I'm choose my email address, click on to continue and create a password. Okay, if you want to check your password, just press on to this option showing it to your password and follow this criteria to make password. Click on to continue and select your birthday. Click on to continue. Add your nickname. Okay, click on to continue. Okay, alright, press on to profile. Now successfully create my TikTok account. Press on settings and privacy, account, press on, and you just easily verify your email address from here. So I'm just recommend you just make your account using your email address.